PocketLab Notebook is a web-based app that turns student devices into powerful tools for hands-on science learning. PocketLab Notebook is a digital lab notebook for collecting scientific data and investigating scientific questions. To access all of the functionality of PocketLab Notebook, you'll need an internet connection and a Google Chrome web browser. Open up the Chrome web browser and navigate to the PocketLab.com. From here, you can either click App, or you can also navigate directly to PocketLab Notebook by typing in the PocketLab.com/app directly into the URL address bar. To create a PocketLab Notebook account, click Log in the upper right corner of the screen. If you are a student, your teacher will need to create an account for you. If you are an individual user or a teacher, click Create an Account to begin to create your account. You will need to include some basic information like your email and a password. You also need to provide your date of birth. We will then send you an email verification code to verify your email. Check your email for the code. Enter the verification code in here along with your email. If you navigate to the home page, you can see that PocketLab Notebook Pro has 4 main sections. The Classes page, which is for PocketLab Notebook Pro subscribers, allows you to create student accounts, class rosters, and assign lab reports to students for them to work on. The Lab Report Library is where you can create lab reports. With a PocketLab Notebook Pro account, you can send those lab reports as assignments to your students for them to work on. And then the Trials page, which is where you can quickly and easily connect to your PocketLab sensor and record and save data trials. Finally, the Global Resources page is where you can find public lab reports and lessons that you can import into your lab report library. Many of these global resources were created by the PocketLab team.